Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.